Thanksgiving has always been a time to reflect on all the things that we are thankful for. This year, especially this year, I am most grateful. Grateful for what we have today. Grateful to be able to celebrate. Grateful for what we have learned over the past several years. You know, these haven't been easy years. We all have been through things we might never have imagined. We've worked together and we have found a path forward together. And I am so grateful for that. Certainly there is more work to do, but today I'm reflecting on all that we have overcome. So many individuals have shown such great kindness and compassion. And I'm also struck by all the people who bravely and boldly faced challenges head on. You know, they showed up when it was hard. They spoke up when it was hard, and they never gave up when it was hard. That is perseverance and grit. You know, and it's been everywhere, in our hospitals, in our classrooms, in our communities, in our families, and ourselves. And I am so grateful for that. So today my ask is that we take a moment to reflect on what we have overcome and to focus on the fact that we can find ways forward. So I ask that if you can, take a moment to act on that gratitude. I hope a gratitude that you are feeling as well. So connect, you know, send a text, make a call, or better yet, if you're able, tell someone face to face how much you appreciate them. Really. You know, reach out after this video. Or honestly, you can do it right now. You can simply pause the video. You know, I'm almost done. But truly, I am so grateful for everyone who has worked to get us here today. And on this day of thanks, and on behalf of Sandy and our entire family, we simply say thank you.